Back. If you remember last time, we just barely talked about complementary and supplementary angles, right? Complementary corner, 90 degrees, or pi half. Supplementary means the two angles add up to 180. Supplementary straight, right? If you can keep that straight. Haha. Um, as we get into, let's talk a little bit more about arc length. Okay, let's do an example here of arc length. If you remember, when I introduced 1 radian, we had our central arc length was equal to S over R, and I actually prefer to write this as S equals R theta, okay, where S is your, R is your radius, there's your central angle, okay, and S is your arc length. Oops, I forgot to write that. This is your arc length, okay. R's your radius, and you got your central angle, right? Okay. So let's say we got this circle, and we have this circle, and it has a radius. Okay, we got this circle with a radius that's 27 inches, and then let's go ahead and find the length of the arc intercepted by a central angle of 160 degrees. Okay, so we have this radius here, right? It's 27 inches in this case. Find the length of the arc intercepted by a central angle of 160 degrees. So we take this thing and we rotate it. So we rotate it 160 degrees. Okay, so our theta 160 degrees. Okay. What would be our S, our arc length here? Okay. Sorry about that vacuum if you can hear that in the background. They're vacuuming my room right now. Anyways, S equals R times theta. Now this central angle, you guys, this must be in radians, okay? That's kind of the trick here. Okay, this thing must be in radians, right? That was the definition, is we took this theta and we said, this is what a radian is. Theta is S over R, and if they're equal, we have 1 radian, right? If S and R happen to be equal, we have 1 radian, okay? So this is asking us, you know what, solve this thing, S equals R times theta, plug everything in, R, we have a 27-inch radius, right? Plug in theta, do not plug in 160 degrees, right? We got to go to the side and we got to convert this thing first before we do that, okay? Oh, what's that, 8 pi ninths here. So 8 pi ninths, okay? That's what our arc length is going to be. This is in inches, by the way, 27 inches times 8 pi ninths, which is really, there's a unit measurement on that. It's radians, right? It's a real number. So you just take your calculator and let's punch it in. 27 times 8 pi ninths. And you get 75.4 inches. This equals 75.4 inches. Okay. So that right here is how much you've intercepted that circle, 75.4 inches. And that's it. Thank you. Have a great day.